Hi, magical friends. Are you looking to make more money or to run a more successful business or to get started on a successful business? If so, I have a crystal for you, and we're going to be diving into this. But first, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm Christy Forsyth with Clarity by Christy. I am a soul therapist and an intuitive that connects with the angelic energy. I help the helpers, the light bringers, and the soulpreneurs of this world to live their most magical life. And this video really is for my soulpreneurs, for my people who are starting their own businesses, that has doing the things that come from your soul, those things that come from your intuition, those things that just are your calling, you know? So if you are doing something, if you have a business or are considering starting a business that is coming from your soul, coming from that intuitive place, this is the video for you. Or if you're just wanting to make more money in your job, in your business, whatever that is, this is going to be a helpful crystal for you. So let me share this crystal with you. This is called Cinnabar. And it's a really interesting crystal. You can see there's lots of different layers to it. And when I heard about Cinnabar and I heard that it helps you to have a successful business, I knew that I needed one right away. It is especially great for these soul-guided businesses. And I knew I needed to have one right away, but I actually had a difficult time finding one, and had a woman who sells crystals, who goes out and looks for crystals and shares them on her site. And I had requested maybe immediately right after I found out about this for her to look for one. And she wasn't able to find one for quite some time. But what was really amazing and magical was I had stepped into a new opportunity where I was working on a project that was involving me making videos for an app with some other individuals. And this really was a level up in my life. This really was the beginning of something really amazing and helped me to feel so much more comfortable to do the videos that I'm doing today and to build my business using the videos that I'm using today. So it was a really powerful and pivotal moment in my life. What was really amazing was that the day that we got started on this project, I got a message from her, "Christy, I found some Cinnabar. Would you like some?" And so, of course, I purchased the Cinnabar from her and forgot all about it because it took a little while for it to come in the mail. And then the day that it came on the mail was the day that we were launching this project. So I took that really to be a sign from the universe that I was fully supported, that everything was going to be improving in terms of my business and my business growing and things being abundant and all of those things. So that's my magical story of how my Cinnabar came my way. And so it may be a little bit more difficult to find, but it's not impossible. So you just want to put those feelers out there. It will find its way to you when it is time. What you want to do with your Cinnabar is put that on your desk or put that on your counter, just someplace that is important for your business. This is going to be drawing in wealth and abundance and success and just overall successful business. It also helps us to connect with our intuition and use that intuition to guide our business. If you guys know me at all, you know that I'm all about running my entire business based on listening to my intuitive voice. And I recommend this and I teach other people how to do this. So I really recommend that you get yourself a crystal that allows yourself to connect a little bit more with that intuitive voice and to let that intuitive voice guide the process of everything that you do in your business. So I hope that this connects for you. I hope that you're able to find yourself a Cinnabar. It's a really amazing crystal. I've seen so many changes in my own business since I received mine. If you want to learn more about me or about Clarity by Christy, you can check me out at discoveryourawakening.com. And please, guys, like, comment below. I love to hear from you. If you haven't yet, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It helps us support the channel, and you get notifications of any uploads that I share here. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Take care, guys.